Hi children. Yesterday in the previous class we done intersection, union and subtraction at operations in sets. Today let us learn the new topic Venn diagrams given by John Van Neumann, the great mathematician John Van Neumann. On his name these diagrams are given name as Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams means figure represented for a set. Sets generally we denote in flower brackets by writing elements by separating with the commas. Then generally sets are denoted by closed figures, circles, triangles, rectangles. Generally we denote. Okay. We know we have so many types of sets in that universal set is there. Universal set. Universal set mu denoted by mu is generally denoted by rectangle. Mu. Universal set mu is denoted by rectangle and sets are denoted by circles generally. We can denote by triangle, ovals, any other shapes also, closed figures. But especially these two shapes are taken to represent mu as rectangle and circles for sets. Now let us see the operations what we done, union, intersection and subtraction, how we denote in diagrams, Venn diagrams. First one is A union B. A union B means A, B together. We told sets are denoted by circles. A is one circle, B is second circle. Two circles together. All the elements of A and B means together. Two circles full we need. Then A union B means two circles full shaded. This is A union B. Venn diagram of A union B. Two circles together full is shaded. A union B means A and B together full circles. Then like this we have to shade. This Venn diagram represents A union B. Rectangle is mu A. This circle is A. This circle is B together. Then next one is A intersection B. A intersection B means only common part, common elements. Then this circle represents A, this circle represents B. Then two circles where they are intersecting in this portion. This is the common part of two circles. Then this portion represents A intersection B. Next comes A minus B. A but not B. Only A has to come, not B. This is A, this is B. A minus B means B should not come. A అనే circle నుంచి B portion తీసేయాలి. Means this portion belongs to B also. Then this portion we have to neglect. Therefore this first part represents A minus B. Next comes B minus A. Means this is B, set B. This is set A. B minus A. From B we have to remove A. This portion belongs to A also. That's why we have to remove this portion from B. Therefore only this part represents B minus A. Let us see how to remember these shapes. See, generally if two circles intersect, we have how many parts here? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there. First part, second part and third part. A union B means 3 parts together will come. There what we learn. 3 parts together. A intersection B means the second part which is common. Second part only will come. A minus B means only first part. First part will come. B minus A means only third part will come. Okay, is that clear? Then A minus B, A intersection B, B minus A. Now, in the previous class we proved A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are disjoint sets. It is also proved by Venn diagram. A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A. 3 are, is there, what they have any common part? No. Then these three are disjoint sets. Venn diagram also we have to prove. Now, if you see numbers, if you take elements in the sets, let us take one example. See, here we have one model. In this, this is A. Set A we have. Next, another one, B we have B. What are the elements in the first part? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In the second part, 4, 5. 4, 5. In the third part, 6, 7. We have. Now, you will be given like this question. Mu will be given in a universal set only, all the sets will be there. Mu, rectangle, 2 sets, and their elements also given 3 parts. Now we have to give answers according to the question given under the diagram. They will ask to find from the figure A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, all. Let us find A union B. From the figure, before we find this, first what you have to write? The elements of A and B also. A. What is A? Means this circle, first circle. First circle. Inside the first circle, what elements are there? That you have to write here. Inside the first circle, what are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, B. What are the elements of B? You have to get from this circle, second circle. What are these? 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, let us see another sums. What are they? First one, A union B. A union B means from Venn diagram what portions we have to write? All the 3 parts. Means first part, second part, third part. 3 parts you have to get it. Then what are the elements we have in 3 parts? All we have to write to get A union B elements. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All will come. Once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, A intersection B. Means what? Which portion? Second part. Second part. Intersection part. For 2 circles. Intersection part. Means what are the elements in that? 4, 5. Then 4, 5. Diagrammatically and roster form. We are writing. Next is A minus B. A minus B means what? A but not B. Which part? First part. Then what are elements in first part? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next B minus A. B minus A means which part we said? Yes, third part. 6, 7. Then like this, according to the given questions given from the given figure, we have to get the answers, elements of the given sets. A minus B, A intersection B, B minus A. A and B means all together we have to write. And one more part is there from Venn diagram. I hope you are following. Just note down and do practice also. We have mu, and if only one set we take, it is A, the set A. Inside set whatever elements are there in A, those will come inside the circle. Then which are not in A, where they will be? They will be outside of this circle. Means in a universal set. Means here will be in this side. What is that portion called? That is A dash. That is A dash. This is set A and this is mu. Then A, except A, remaining portion is shaded. Means the elements which are not in A but in universal set, those are denoted by A dash. We said that set as A dash is equal to what? Mu minus A. mu minus A. In the same way, A dash, okay. Then what is A union B whole dash? A union B whole dash means there are two sets. A, B. A union B means three parts together full. A union B whole dash means mu except A union B. A union B tappa migitavannni ani. Means the remaining portion is shaded. If you observe, except A union B full circles, remaining portion is shaded. Means A union B whole dash. A union B tappa migitavannni. In the same way, if we have A intersection B whole dash, means this is A intersection B. A, B, it is A intersection B. Whole dash said. A intersection B whole dash means except A intersection B. Means mu minus A intersection B. A intersection B tappa migita mu anta universal set. Then the remaining portion is shaded. Okay. Then these are Venn diagrams. From Venn diagram we can prove one statement also. That is this one. See once here. A minus B. A minus B means this first part. B minus A means second part. They have given union. Means A minus B union B minus A. అంటే రెండు కలిసి యూనియన్ అంటే ఈ షేడెడ్ పోర్షన్ మొత్తం దీన్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది. A minus B union B minus A means whatever shaded region is there represents this statement. Now if you see here A union B, first A union B is denoted by horizontal lines. A union B is represented by horizontal lines here. Next A intersection B is represented by vertical lines. Here A intersection B is represented by vertical lines, and between them which operation is there? Minus. Means from this A union B we have to subtract, we have to remove A intersection B. Means which portion will get? These two parts except this. Idi raakudadu. Means these two parts together represents this statement. That means this one and this one both are represent first and third part, first and third part. That means these two are equal. Equal. Then what statement we get? A minus B union B minus A is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. This is one statement we get from Venn diagram. Even by elements also we can show. By Venn diagram it is the proof. Then using Venn diagram you will be asked questions, and using elements also you have so many important questions which are very important for your final exam. Now let us see page number 39. Important model I am going to explain. The remaining I hope you can do. If you get any doubt you can ask me personally also. Now see page number 39, 5 and 6 important 4 mark questions I will explain, and you can complete in your C work. Fifth question, see. If A is equal to x such that x is a natural number, they have given circular forms. We have to write elements and then we have to proceed according to the given questions. They have given 4 sets. First one, A is equal to x such that x is a natural number they have given. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Infinite set. Next B. What they have given? Set of an even natural number. X such that x is a set of even natural number. Means 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Next given is C. What? X such that x is on an odd natural number. Means 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Next is D. What they have given? D. X such that x is a prime number. Means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. According to what they have given tabular form, we have to write elements and then we have to proceed. And they are asked to find some some intersections. I am going to show you two solutions. The remaining you can do very easily. Let me show you any two of them. I am going to show A intersection B. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Intersection B. 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. What common elements do you get here? See what you get? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here only even numbers. Common is all even numbers. Then what we get? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. That means which set it is? It is nothing but a B. That means what we get conclusion here? A intersection B is equal to B. Like this, whatever conclusions you get, you have to mention like this in box. Next they asked A intersection C, A intersection B, B intersection C, B intersection D and C intersection D. One more I will show you. For example, C intersection D is there. C means what? 1, 3, 5, 7. What are they? Odd natural numbers. Intersection D means what? Prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. And the intersection. Odd numbers, intersection, prime numbers. We know all prime numbers are odd except 2. 2 is the only even prime, remaining all are odd. That means what are common elements in these two? 3, 5, 7 and so on, 3, 5, 7 and so on. All will come. Then what we can write the common elements? 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Means all prime numbers will come except 2. Then how we can show that? C intersection D is equal to, from prime numbers we have to remove 2. That means prime number set is here B minus we have to remove 2. Set 2. Like this we can mention. D ane set lonchi 2 ane set singleton set tiyalante 2 element teesestam. Then whatever we get 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. All are prime numbers, odd numbers. Okay, then we get this answer. According to this, you have to complete this question. In the same way, I hope you understood. One more time, just let me explain. First, natural numbers, you have to write. Next, even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Next, odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Next, prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. And according to the given question, you have to find the intersections. Next, see the sixth question. There also, how many sets they have given? Yes, 4 sets. What they are? Let us see. First one, 3, 6, A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Next, B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Next, C, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Next, D, 5, 10, 15, 20 they have given. Now, what they have given? Subtractions all they have given. Let me show you any two subtractions. Let me show you third one, A minus B. A means all sets, all you have to write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Minus B means 5, 10, 15, 20. Minus means A minus. From these you have to remove these elements. Second set elements. 3 not there, you have to write. 6 is not there in second set, you have to write. 9 is not there in second set, you have to write. 12 is not there in second set. Whatever elements are there in the second set, you have to remove. 15 is there in second set, you should not write it. 18 is not there, let us write. 21 also not there, right. Then only 15 is there, that common element you have to remove. Remove remaining all elements, you have to write it. Then proceeding following this, I hope you can do the remaining sums. Whatever doubts you can get, you can clarify asking me personally. From the remaining questions also, true, false, everything is there. According to the given knowledge, I hope you can complete each and everything. 2.3 exercise, page number 41 you have. First Roman, you have to write a roster form. Elements you have to write. Second one, equal to and not equal to symbol you have to denote. First you write B, B, C, their roster form, and then you have to decide whether equal or not equal. Then in the third question, in each of the following state whether A is equal to B or not. Equal or kada ani check cheyamanaru. First one, see, A, B, C, D, D, C, A. They are equal. Maybe order changed, they are equal. Second one, 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 4, 16, 18. Difference is there, 18. They are not equal. Third one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B, positive even integer and x less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10. Ikkada even numbers, akkada even numbers 10 varaku. Yes, those are equal. Fourth one, x is multiple of 10. B having multiple of 5 also. Then not equal. Then according to this, we completed for this exercise also. I hope you followed the all the parts of this chapter and write notes clearly, and the important points you have to write in box. Draw these Venn diagrams also in your C work neatly, and how I showed you like this project work, you have to do all those Venn diagrams. You have to use, show your creativity and do your project work, and you can keep to my personal number what you have done. Thank you.